The cloud and the sea. The sea stretched endlessly beneath a blazing sun, a vast expanse of shimmering blue. But high above in the sky, a cloud drifted lazily, its edges soft and white, its form shifting in the warm breeze. The cloud looked down at the sea below with a flicker of disdain, its edges curling as if mocking the endless waters beneath it. "Look at you," the cloud scoffed, its voice like a whisper carried by the wind. "You cover the earth, you are vast and endless, yet you never move, never change. You're nothing but a stagnant pool, forever bound to the ground." The sea, gentle and eternal, replied only with the rhythmic lapping of waves against the shore, unbothered, unmoved. But the cloud wasn't finished. "How pitiful," the cloud continued. "You are as old as time itself, yet you remain trapped in place, forever a prisoner to gravity, unable to soar through the skies like me." With that, the cloud puffed itself up, proud and untouchable, soaring higher and higher into the heavens, far above the reach of the sea. It revelled in its freedom, floating through the air with the wind, drifting over mountains and watching the world below with a sense of superiority. But as the cloud floated on, it soon began to feel the weight of the sun's heat. The warmth of the day began to grow intense, and the once light, buoyant cloud began to feel heavy, dense, weighed down by the moisture it had gathered. The cloud tried to push on, but the weight was becoming unbearable, its once smooth shape now sagging under the burden of its own water. It was then that the cloud heard something far below. The sea. It wasn't the mocking, stagnant mass the cloud had once believed. Instead, the waves churned with life, moving constantly, stretching across the horizon in an endless dance, ebbing and flowing. The sea, though quiet, was full of depth and movement, always changing, always evolving. The cloud realized then that it had been wrong. It had mocked the sea, not understanding its power, its depth, its persistence. The sea was the lifeblood of the world, never still, always shifting, always giving. With no more strength to hold its form, the cloud began to break apart, tiny droplets of water falling from the sky like tears carried by the wind back toward the sea. As the rain poured down, it sank into the ocean, returning to where it had once come from, blending with the waves. And as the cloud dissolved into the sea, it finally understood. The sea was not stagnant, it was not bound by the ground, nor was it weak. The sea had endured through time, its constant motion a testament to its strength. As the last of the cloud's essence merged with the sea, the waves seemed to rise, as if in acknowledgement. And though the cloud was gone, its return as rain had given it a new perspective, a newfound respect for the endless, ever-changing sea. Sometimes it's only by returning to where we began that we truly learn what we are. If you enjoyed this story, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more.